Hi, I am an engineering student with zero business experience because I have the core electrical branch. So I will start a business journey and document my journey with you. If you are stuck in a phase that I will start someday a business or anything, then you might join me. I will starting for you, not just for me. So we will learn how the business work and how the things happen for us, like favorable or non-favorable. We have figured it out. Hey, I am Rahul, a BTech electrical engineering student. I am not here to sell you the courses or tell that I have figured it out all the things. I am at the zero. I am at the day zero. I have no practical knowledge at all. I have some theoretical knowledge, like I have completely reading this book, The Personal MBA, and currently following the this book Principles the by Ray Dalio. This one is my favorite one. I am just beginning of this book, but I will complete this book with you, like in my journey. You might think, why I am doing this? Like, why? So, because I have done with the consuming content of business and read more about how business work, more theoretical knowledge. Now it's time to apply. So currently I have one to two business ideas that that is not obviously that much good, but actually that are good in terms of a student because they are very low cost business. You can run in a minimal 10,000 investment and you get the 100% benefits you in a future. Now, what you can expect from me? First, the business idea and the execution of this idea. Second, productivity and the discipline which I follow. 3. Lessons from the book which I will apply in my business to see are the knowledge are really worth it or not. Fourth one, my favorite one, the actual business journey. How a business can start from zero to a scalable business. We have to it out. Like I also don't know anything. So let's see. I am committing to you that I will be consistent with my videos. Some video will be polished, yet refined, and some will be raw videos because if I don't get enough time for editing, then I will post a raw video. And sometimes raw video is really high. And I promise you, I won't waste your time. Every video has some knowledge, some tips, and some experience which I will share with you. If you are ready to join me in this journey, subscribe button, like the video, and comment. Please, with commenting you can comment. So if you can comment, then I will also reply to the comment. So you can comment. Let's build together. Day zero.